So welcome to Hoe Grange. We have got here a fantastic Boma 7 all-terrain off-road wheelchair that you can borrow when you're here on holiday. And it's fantastic because it means you can all get out together as a group, you can get up to the High Peak Trail, you can really explore the Peak District, and it's just fantastic fun. First I'm going to show you how to get in. It's really great because you can use it either left-hand transfer or right-hand transfer, both of these come off, and then that gives you space to transfer in from your wheelchair or however else you're going to get into the Boma. Once you're in, it feels really secure. You've got a strap, just plugs in like a seatbelt, and then for added security, makes you feel nice and safe. There's also a chest harness, just goes across like that, so it clips in, so you're not going anywhere. When you're ready to go, you just turn the key so that the battery light is blinking. You can choose forwards or reverse, and you can choose slower, the little tortoise, or faster, the little hare. So I'm going to start off slowly, and I'm going to go forwards. So you just twist it with your arm like that. To steer around, you just gently push the handlebars around like this, and you can then navigate your way through any of the rocky terrain that you find yourself on. It copes pretty well with steep slopes. So you can see here, having a little whirl of a time as I go down this hill. And I feel very nice and secure with my harness, and it'll cope with steep rocks like that one there, all over all the bumpy ground. And I can come round like this, and over there like that.